with a new video, as I have made promise to you that I am coming up with a new video. So this is my video on a skincare routine with fruit pulp and investing without rupees 1. So if you are looking for a skincare routine in this winter season for your skin, please look this video and like, share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell for further notification.
Today I am going to share how to clean your face in winter season. I have oily skin, so I am using lukewarm water. If you have not oily skin or dry skin or normal, you can use cool water. I am using hot water because winter season or summer our face is so oily. If you have oily skin, you can also feel that, and so I am doing this, and I am using this cotton pad so welly, and at the same time I am removing my face, and you can see the water is so dirty, and at the same time you have to do an upward motion because it helps not to loosen your skin. And neck area you have to make sure that no dirt remains, and after that you can see my skin is clear, and I am taking aloe vera gel because I have used lukewarm water and I don't know if it harm me or not harm me, so I am using this because aloe vera is at the same time soothing and cooling elements it's have. And I am doing this in upward motion, you can see, because it is very important to clear your face properly, because if any dirt remains, it's not gonna good for your skin. You can see a natural glow in my skin. Now I am taking some hot vapor to open my pores, and when the pores are open clearly, you can see I have taken, you have to take orange peels, and there's some rice flour and some honey, and you have to scrub it, because after doing this you can see that I am doing this in my lip area also, because it helps to soothe your skin and make your lips pink also, because it has vitamin C. After 2 minutes I am coming up, and you can see now I am using Wow aloe vera peel off mask, which helps to remove all the whiteheads and blackheads and the dead cells, because in winter dead cells are too much in our face, especially oily skin and blackheads in nose areas. So I am doing this so in a better, and I am taking a thick layer in my face, so it helps to clear your skin so perfectly. And you can see I have already done in all over my face, and after 2 to 5 minutes you can see it's dry, it's pat dry, and I am removing it on in a opposite direction. You can see how tightened it is, and I am removing it so slowly and making sure that every dirt, if anything remains in my face, is removed, and dry cells or dead cell, and at the same time the whitehead and blackheads, because of winter there is too much dead cell in our skin, and it make our look dull. So you can see my face is far better than before. I am using Fuller's Earth with rose water and honey, and applying it a thick layer on my face, and making sure that I am applying all over my face, and I am not using in my neck areas now, because ठंड का मौसम है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, पूरा सूखा सूखा हो जाता है। फिर वॉश करने के बाद मैं एक पील ऑफ मास्क यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जो मेरे फुलर शर्ट यूज़ करने के बाद थोड़ा ड्राई हो गया, उसको रिजुविनेट करने में भी हेल्प करेगा, और एट द सेम टाइम it's help to moisturize my skin because मॉइस्चराइजेशन भी ज़रूरत है, विंटर का सीज़न है तो आपको फिर ऐसे एक ले लेना है फेस शॉप का पील ऑफ मास्क एंड यू हैव टू सेट इट प्रॉपरली, कहीं बाद ना रह जाए एंड यू हैव टू डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ tapping. It's helps to pores to soak all these elements in this in this mask, and it also helps to make your skin clear and rejuvenated. After 5 minutes you have to peel off this